take out coconut, if you wanna die early, you can stay underneath the coconut tree.
Yes, alright, that's good.
Or if you want to get a coconut, you must like that. You must move very quickly from left to right, so you will not be hit by the coconut.
Okay, that's right.
And see, this one is very, very, very dangerous.
Ay, kaya mo yan.
If you chop your hand, you have no more hand.
You know?
Yes. If you chop the coconut, you have coconut. But
Ay, go,
the hand,
ay.
no. Oh, see.
Yan, okay, okay.
Yes, you can see that the water is coming out, but it's not water. It's buko water. You know?
It's hookah size.
Yes, washing the hands. You can see that. It's very
And
good.
if you after the hugas the hand, you ring it, you know.
Yes. What is the taste?
Pwede na,
Brother, what is the taste?
Pwede na, pwede na.
Matamis na maasim. Ewan ko, ba't ganun? Maasim.
Mukasim. How's
You
mukasim?
know?
How mo kasi? Ang pangit ay tsura. Maunggoy.
Ayan, ganyan.